Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Framani Italian sausage and peppers with polenta that we picked up at Costco. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're going to need, of course, your polenta and peppers. You're going to need some scissors to open up your bags, a fork and a food thermometer, and then you're going to need some paper towels. Now today we're going to be doing the microwave instructions for this. First thing we need to do is get our pouches out of here. We've got our sausage and peppers right here. We're gonna set that aside for now. And then we've got our polenta right here. So we're gonna open this up and put it inside of our microwave safe container right here. So now that we've got our polenta in here like this, we're gonna take the back of our fork and just kind of mash it up to get all of the pieces broken apart. All right, so that took me a couple minutes. Now that we've got that to a creamy, crumbly texture, we're gonna pop this into our microwave for 5 minutes. All right, our polenta is out of the microwave, and now we're going to add our sausage and peppers. We're gonna cut open our bag and just put this directly over the top of our polenta. Now we have a couple gaps here, so I'm just gonna take my fork and just scooch this over so that it completely covers our polenta. Next, we're gonna grab our paper towel and we're gonna go ahead and get this nice and damp. Now that we've got our moist paper towel, we're gonna place this lightly over the top of it so that it's not too tight. Just kinda lay it over there, and we're gonna place this back into the microwave for 5 minutes. We're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, this has just come out of the microwave after a total of 10 minutes cooking time, and we're gonna see if our temperature is where it should be. All right, our temperature has reached 165 degrees or more in several different spots. So here is our completed Framani Italian sausage and peppers with polenta. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.